Feels like I'm a fiend to the process of getting up early to my job list. The people what I got to accomplish. A self-employed MC schedule / bosses. Only as good as I'm motivated his heart is. I schedule in about 9 hours daily, so my wife and my baby ain't getting my leftovers. I can't grind when my mind's on hazy, so I guess my quiet time in first, no Folgers. Throw my work clothes on, consistent in sweats and slippers. Whip never leaves the driveway. Really, it's just that I conduct my business at home in the basement. Writing lyrics for collabs, trying to see a paycheck through the PayPal. Beats, rhymes, and life is the only way now. There really ain't a sensible way out. My layout is high school diploma. 9 years of tour, I'm writing and recording, trying to build a home and touch souls with the vocals. Hopeful in my beat making techniques, slang them to the locals. Pro Tools, GarageBand, and MPC. Sure mic with the micro Korg and tambourine crates of records. Deep the collection speaks of efforts I've been blessed with, to reference and reflection what it means to put music out that'll outlive me. Staying focused, no doubt I'll be balanced.
Another long and sleepless night, another show and blinding light. Niggas like hydraulics, it's just an act of balance. Another bill that must be paid, another song that must be played. It's like I'm tired of walking, another track sets a balance.
All night through the morning, pen scratch the paper for papers. Another caper that captivates you. Loving how I'm living this. At crack of dawn, stretch limbs, then back on that grindstone once again. I must admit, it's tough to toe the tightrope with a lean so mean. It's like I sip 2 bottles, a role model with a wobble. And if by chance I fall, you'll never catch me throwing in the towel. Ahead of my class, why would I follow? I'm saying, can you be a team player when your team's not playing? By the way, my team don't play, not in the least bit. On this balance beam till I dismount, I'm flipping this.
Now everybody talking that apocalyptic jargon. They either play the part hard on the boulevard, or they marching with a stare in their eyes harden, barking orders like a sergeant who's guarding this dear life with this here knife. Yeah, it's hard when ain't a dollar on your debit card and you searching for a bargain. Up the profit margin, they telling me it's a bad time to be an artist. I'm supposed